if you do not want to miss the best moments that come out of these raw, completely unplanned conversations that I have with these very interesting people, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, PGX Clips, and press the bell icon top so that you know the next time we post. I didn't get to go to gigs because I was too young. I remember that Metallica came to Delhi.
Yeah, man.
You remember that?
I have a great story for that.
I remember being there and watching the stage burn down.
Yes!
And my father was right. He was like, तुम मत जाओ यहाँ पागल आते हैं. And he was right in hindsight.
At that time, I was doing the Formula 1.
You were doing the Formula 1?
इंडिया में Formula 1 भी उसी टाइम आई थी.
अच्छा, right. Oh,
Right?
Booth circuit.
Booth circuit
Right. हाँ.
And I was working, I think I joined ESPN. अब इनमें से दो चीजें हो सकती हैं because as luck would have it, Iron Maiden, Metallica, Roger Waters, all these iconic gigs that I wanted to go to, उस दिन हमेशा मेरा काम था. And मेरे लिए काम बड़ा important था. Right? I mean, I was working, I was supporting myself. And I just did not think that just my favorite band is a reason enough for me to
Go.
skip any major event at work.
Very interesting. Okay.
So, and my friends who knew what a die-hard fan of Metallica I am, ये सारे जा रहे थे. तो मैंने एक शाम पहले जब हम बैठे हुए थे, पहला सालों नजर लगेगी तुम्हें मेरी. सोचो कल हो ही ना कॉन्सर्ट. राइट? क्या हुआ? माइक नहीं आया, स्टेज जल गया, स्पीकर फट गया, पेट खराब हो गया. सोचो हो ही ना. एंड देन एट अबाउट 3:34 गुड़गांव में था ना.
हाँ, गुड़गांव में.
They sending me
29,
messages.
हाँ.
तो फोन आते थे उस टाइम पे. पहुंच गए हैं, हाथ
Photo
में
ले
लेके
लोगे.
cheers bro, we miss you. And मेरे दिल से निकल रही थी कुछ हो जाए. हो गया
bro. I saw it in front of my eyes. मेरे को याद है हम वेट कर रहे हैं, लोग आ ही नहीं रहे. The band's not coming.
Yeah.
There's nobody coming. And I mean, I was in 11th grade. This is 2010-11. So I was
correct. It was the Formula 1 year. वो Formula 1 हो रही थी. I was at the Booth circuit.
Right. And I'm a young boy and I'd hurt my back, I remember. So my dad had dropped me off because he was like, crowd hoga. I'm not going to let you go to crowds. This mosh pit business does not sound nice. This metal music does not sound nice, but I will drop you. So he'd come to drop me. And I had some friends surrounding me because my back was bandaged up. And then you see then one of the organizers come on stage and say, ki, boss, ye log nahi aayenge for security reasons. And then Delhiites proceeded to prove them right.
अब तू security ढूंढ.
मैं तेरे को हिमांशु क्या बताऊं जैसे ना so the stage the production there's 2 banners to the side. Somebody burnt both those banners bottom up. Like somebody lit that on fire. Their drum set was on stage. People got up on stage, started throwing their drums around, whatever equipment they could find. And within 5 minutes, the organizers left and it's now somewhat of a riot. And like you have to decide.
2 घंटे से pre-game कर रहे हैं लोग.
2 घंटे से I was too young to be pre-gaming, but you have to decide अब मैं निकलूं कि मैं रहूं, निकलने में ज्यादा रिस्क है या कहीं पीछे छुपूं. And everything your father's told you on the way is now coming right. You're like, fuck यार पापा बहुत लेंगे इस बात पे that it happened.
Yeah.
He was like कुछ पंगा हो जाएगा and हो गया. I remember that happened for a while because around that time Avicii had come to Delhi, Hardwell had come to Delhi, Tiesto had come to Delhi. This was right around the time.
There used to be a club in Noida called Elevate.
Okay. Never came across that.
वहाँ पे a lot of these guys, I think they used to have Thursdays or something as trance nights. Skazi. Skazi was an artist. वो वहाँ पे आया था. वहाँ पे I attended one of this. I was never really big into techno and all of that. Cool बनने के लिए हम भी थोड़ा. I've never really been much of a dancer, but मतलब एक जगह खड़े होके गड्ढे नहीं खोदे मैंने कभी.
Right. वो exactly यही है by the way.
Yeah.
Now that I'm done with this kind of stuff, my wife's only gotten into it. So I have to accompany her. Well, it's cool because you're accompanying her around the world. मतलब हमारे जो gigs होंगे next we're going to France for a 3-day festival or we were in Albania last year. So that part's cool. But literally उधर घास में खड़े होकर गड्ढा ही खोदना है भाई. यूं पूरी रात.
ये मैं एक्सपीरियंस से बोल रहा हूँ. है तो लोग.
हाँ.
सुबह आएंगे और पता है कौन सा गड्ढा खोदा है इन्होंने.
Right. Exactly.
So yeah, kind of been there, done that. But this is the story. अभी Linkin Park आ रहा है Lollapalooza पे. बड़े टाइम के बाद. Because now when I look at most of the bands. We're very active parents. We're very, very active parents. Now even more so because I've got a son who's about to be 2. तो बाहर उतना जाते नहीं है. And उतना music सुनने का भी time नहीं मिलता because we've kept them completely away from screen. So now that my daughter's older for the last year and a half too, we've been playing a lot of music actively in the house. So मैंने देखा lineup and I was like, यार Linkin Park आ रहा है. And I used to listen to a lot of Linkin Park. मतलब मैं सिर्फ indie and वाला fan नहीं हूँ.
नहीं पूरा ऊपर से
मैं पूरा वाला fan हूँ. So मैंने भी बोला मतलब boss please tickets book कर दे यार. So she's like okay. She's like but you're doing the India New Zealand series now.
Shit.
So while I was driving and I was like please look and I'm like driving like this and Linkin Park ही सुन रहा हूँ मैं. So I was like please look and she's like there is a match that day. अभी GNR आया था.
हाँ.
There was a match that day. She went for GNR, man, and I said, like, जब /November Rain में अपना solo बजाएगा,
Right.
एक video में ले आइयो यार.
Right.
And I just tripped on that video. And yes,
I remember watching Roger Waters live in 2017 in Boston. And I'd just grown up. Like I'm 21 at that point, and I'd just gone to college. And my friend used to live in Boston. He says, Keena, Roger Waters is playing. And Pink Floyd was my band. Like Pink Floyd is what I grew up on personally. End to end. Everything Pink Floyd was like my thing. I remember just being there and kind of crying. And actually, I've had this
I can
experience
imagine.
with some other like Indian musicians also. I don't want to name for a variety of reasons. Where I've been in their shows. Recently, I was introducing Jagjit Singh to my wife. Do you have to go somewhere?
in about 15-20 कितना टाइम?
भाई 1 घंटा तो हो गया हमें बात करते करते. नहीं पता नहीं चला यार, बिल्कुल नहीं पता चला ना मेरे. हाँ आप रहते
Oh,
हो.
they're practicing at Wings. Amazing. And Varun Aaron is calling me. My wife, FYI, is the bigger cricket fan in my family. She is right now at a ground. क्योंकि शिवाजी पार्क में उन्हें practice मिली नहीं. So she's practicing in Bandra. Amazing.
She's practicing playing herself. She plays.
हाँ.
Okay, cool. Fuck yeah.
उनका tournament चल रहा है building में.
अच्छा pro stakes.
So,
Stakes.
बहुत high stakes हैं.
हाँ.
Bidding होती है. हाँ.
नहीं ये वाले स्टेक्स भाई कॉर्पोरेट वाले, ये जो ग्राउंड खरीद के दिल्ली में भी खेलते हैं, इनके भी स्टेक्स थोड़े नेक्स्ट लेवल रहते हैं. हाँ.
Yeah. So, हाँ, you tell me about Roger Waters.
I was introducing her to Jagjit Singh because किसी के रील पे ना एक जगजीत सिंह का गाना आया and she's like, this is a great melody, and I was translating Jagjit's music for her into English while we were playing the verses together. Boss, music does something, man.
Yeah.
And if you're hit in the right mood with the right smell and the right sound, it does something.
My mom and dad used to love Jagjit Singh and Chitra Singh. I think we had all their cassettes. And
Did you ever explore that? That genre of music?
Yeah.
हाँ अच्छा ठीक.
घर पे चलता था यार.
right.
ਚੂਲੇ ਅੱਗ ਨਾ ਘੜੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਣੀ, ਇਹ ਗਾਣਾ ਦਾ. ਚੂਲੇ ਅੱਗ ਨਾ ਘੜੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਣੀ, ਉਹ ਛੜਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਜਿੰਦ ਪੂਰੀ. So like that one. And then एक मूवी आई थी तुम बिन, जिसमें कोई फरियाद था.
कोई फरियाद.
That कोई फरियाद अभी भी होता है ना. Like if I put it on,
हाँ.
I will listen to it at least 3 times. 3 to 4 times, because that song is just, it's haunting in a way. And that voice, that gravitas, baritone, oof.
The way that song begins with that sound also.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Have you seen that movie though? No.
I was speaking to the director of that movie recently on the show. And it's those... I have faint memories of watching that movie, but that song sticks in my head. I remember the actor. He was this very chocolatey looking actor.
Priyanshu something,
right?
Yeah.
Like he just, because my cousin, who was maybe 4 or 5 years older than I was, she had a crush on that guy. She was like, oh, Tumbin, that actor.
Yeah,
And
completely new star cast.
हाँ,
for
very
that film.
new.
Yeah.
And I think it was shot in New Zealand or something. ऐसा
Canada, I think.
Canada, right.
So
right,
very
right.
snow, सिर्फ 3 characters, heartbreak, those kind. हम उस फेज में थे ना जब हम एक तरफा प्यार वाले लड़के थे. राइट. आई थिंक स्कूल खत्म हुआ था या कॉलेज में थे. सो पता नहीं कितने के साथ 3-4 लड़के बैठ के मूवी देख रहे, रो रहे. ब्रेकअप नहीं हुआ है. उस स्टेज पे ही नहीं पहुंचे.
दूर से ही
So वो गाना ऐसे दिल को छू रहा है. दर्द अलग है. But man, there's pain in that song. And even that entire film, I thought it was a brilliant movie.
Yeah. I remember feeling something like that, but I was too young. आप पीवीआर अनुपम की बात कर रहे थे ना साकेत में. आई रिमेंबर वॉचिंग ग्रैंड मस्ती देयर. सो यू कैन प्रॉब्ली पुट इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट. बट आई रिमेंबर ब्रो, मैं ना सीए कर रहा था. हम लोग सीए की क्लास सुबह बंक करके, क्योंकि घर वालों को कौन बताएगा कि हम ग्रैंड मस्ती देखने जा रहे हैं. वी सेड वी आर गोइंग टू क्लासेस एंड ऑल ऑफ अस बॉयज वेंट इन एंड सैट एट द थिएटर ब्रो. अ फकिंग एक्सपीरियंस. सीटियां मार रहे लोग भाई, खड़े होके चप्पलों से तालियां मार रहे, एंड यूर लाइक व्हाट द फक डिड आई जस्ट सिट इनटू. सुबह 11 बजे का शो है सर्दियों में, एंड पीपल आर इन द मूड टू वॉच सम एडल्ट कॉमेडी टुडे. दैट्स व्हाट इज अप. और वो दैट थिएटर इज आल्सो स्मॉलर, एटलीस्ट द वन दैट वी वर इन, ऑफ द 1, 2, 3 जो है वहां पे. Great experience. That's what I could think of with PVR Anupam. Guys, trust me, I cannot give you the beauty of this conversation in just this one clip. If you like this clip, then you have to go to our main channel and subscribe to it and press the bell icon, because we post some amazing conversations for you on that channel.